Hey guys, it's me, herein, professional real estate investor. People often ask me, how do I structure my note deals and all of my investments? They ask if I use an LLC or some other entity. Well, the truth is, I don't use entities like that in order to buy and invest in real estate. I like using land trusts. I like trust for a variety of reasons, but most of all, I like trust because they can provide me with the anonymity that I like. It doesn't get recorded in the county because trusts are not recorded in the county. And with trust, it's pretty easy for me to transfer ownership from myself to someone else or from someone else to me because of the nature of trust, and especially land trust. Now, not all states recognize land trust, and so you have to be careful when you're going to be preparing a land trust. You may have to use a different type of trust, but I like the idea of trust. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail today about how trusts work, but I do suggest that you take a look at maybe looking at land trust for your next investment. Thank you for watching. I'm herein, professional real estate investor. Look for more videos like this in the future.